sketchy at all.
Not at all.
So today, we're going to continue ripping this thing apart. As you can see, I've taken some of the stuff in the interior part already. I mean, like this seat is just sitting here because I don't have anywhere else to put it for right now. Had to take the horn off because I was scared to death when I was driving around that this was going to blow up in my face because I have an airbag light that's now flashing at me and I don't know why. So now I'm going to work on getting the AC out of this thing because I want to try to salvage that for the F100 the future date. If the AC still works in this thing. I'm so excited about that. Let's just get this thing in the garage. Forward, Mike. Yeah, I lied. I gotta evacuate the AC system first before I can do anything. So let me go over here and get my AC evacuation kit. Now I have safely evacuated the AC system per all the code of the EPA. Who's never dealt with any modern AC stuff, you get the joys of dealing with these type of connections right here. Takes a special tool, it's spring loaded, kind of a pain in the butt. If you don't have something like these or this, you're never gonna get it off. You're gonna have to go rent one, buy them. They're pretty cheap, they're easy to get nowadays. You can just rent a kit from AutoZone or Discount Auto Parts, they all have them. So you can use to get these off. Not worth buying if that's something you don't do normally, but I worked on cars for my job, so I bought them. All these are is lip. Push line in. And it doesn't want to come out. There we go. So much easier when you have the right tools. Get this dang dash out of here. Please come out. Give me the fucking dash. Let's try this again. Now I'm getting the dash out. Oh, now we're used to fun. Hold, please. Cutting stupid thing. Where are my wire cutters? Now, the epic moment of getting the dash out. Oh my god, there's no connection. To be cut, that's what that's gonna be. No more connections! It's almost like they designed this not to come out. I hate dash work. This is exactly why this isn't going into the F100, because it was an option to leave the firewall and have all this there. Yeah. Nope! That was a lot of work to get the AC out of this that I might not even be able to use in my truck. I'm just hoping that I can use it. I really hope I can use it. Oh yes. All the components I need to get that taken care of. But I also hit the mother load while taking this car apart. So it's fun seeing the things that you find while you do this. Found. Change over here, and boom, look at that. But that's not the best part. Oh, that's gonna pay for the whole project right there. For anybody wondering how much that was, $9.72. Not exactly gonna buy me a turbo, but it's a step in the right direction. Now that I've stripped everything out of here that I want and I'm gonna sell, time to start cutting again. So I want to cut it right across here and go across the bottom, hopefully get it off with one chunk, and hopefully not break it. We're going to find out. I jinx this, but this is working really good. You don't need to adjust the screen. Yes, my car currently has a Carolina Squat. And that's because I'm an idiot. Apparently, I never realized that I didn't have 4 of the same size jack stands. So currently, she sits all gangster lean back because I don't have them and I want to continue this project. But now that everything's off, I'm finally at the pinnacle point that I've been trying to reach forever. The floor is coming off right now. It's all unbolted, nothing's attached. Hopefully, God, hopefully nothing's still attached to this body. And I can pull the floor off. Yay! Current plan, rat straps, engine hoist, lift, over. Yep. I own big tools. Doesn't mean I know how to use them correctly though. How the hell was I supposed to disconnect that? One finger. That's way better than I thought it would be. Please don't slide. I think you guys are going to have to move your little toes. Probably would have been easier to lower the chassis down and leave the body hanging. They'd probably been smarter. Hey, good timing. That's not sketchy at all.
Not at all. Wow. Can you be trusted unsupervised?
Oh, sorry. I should be serious. Yeah, I guess. I can't get it down. The valve to lower this is on the other side of the engine hoist that I can't get around to, so I only got one option. Success! Now, after I made this major achievement, subscribe to the video, please. That'd be greatly appreciated. Do put a decent amount of work not only to do the car stuff, but recording it so you guys can watch my shenanigans, because I have tools, and I shouldn't be allowed to have them because I may look like I know what I'm doing, but I'm an idiot. Now that that's off, I need to cut this thing up, and that's going to be really boring because I need to cut it into a lot of little chunks because I don't have a trailer, and I need to put it to the curb and hope a metal scrapper comes and picks it all up because I don't know what else to do with it. Otherwise, it's going to go itty bitty piece into my trash can every week until it's gone. So, yeah. But go ahead and wrap this video up here for everybody. And if you're interested in seeing why I'm doing all of this in the first place, put a video to link from F100 here for you guys to check out. And if you're interested in seeing some of the other tools that I picked up recently for metalworking for this project, put a link here for you guys to check that out. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Highly appreciate it. Till next time, go work on your own cars. Peace.